In my heart sometimes I ponder, as down life's road I wander, to a city over yonder, where peace and love abide, where my trials are gone forever. The tears will find me never. You'll see there'll be a place for me, and I'm going there someday. I have started for a city that is free from shame and pity. It's a bright, eternal city, and I'm traveling on my way. Someday I'll have to leave you. Don't let my parting grieve you. See, there'll be a place for me, and I'm going there someday. Dear Lord, look down upon me, and Lord, have mercy on me. I am just a weary pilgrim. I am tired and so forlorn. I thank you for your blessings and all that I'm possessing. You'll see there'll be a place for me, and I'm going